The perfect marriage of raw power and rugged refinement, the 2023 Roush F-150 brings iconic Roush styling elements and performance enhancements. Roush package is available on either the XLT or Lariat Ford F-150 chassis, with 11 striking exterior color options. Up front, the Roush high-flow front grille makes a bold statement with its integrated lighting and satin black finish. Clearance lighting has also been added to the upper portion of the grille for increased visibility. The hood of the truck gets a boost with Roush functional heat-extracting vents, also finished in satin black. Package also include unique styling on the sides of the F-150, with Roush fender badging and functional fender vents in the factory locations to maintain the F-150's iconic body lines. To finalize the exterior details, satin black or color-matched fender flares with accent lighting are available. Underneath the truck is custom Roush performance coilover suspension system to level out the Roush F-150 and give it an aggressive off-road ready stance. Roush designed 20-inch iridium gray wheels, wrapped in 33-inch General Tire Grabber ATX tires, provide exceptional traction, comfort and on- and off-road capability all year round. To round out the performance modifications, the Roush Performance exhaust system equips the truck with a throaty growl, which is sure to turn heads. Inside the cab, offer two unique leather interior. Both options feature an embroidered Roush logo on each headrest and subtle tags on the seating, including a square R and an American flag. The Roush F-150 comes standard with Roush dash gauges, serialized dash badges and custom Roush pedals. The tuner's new supercharger kit boosts 2023 F-150s, equipped with 5-liter V8s to 705 horsepower and 635 pound-feet of torque. 2023 Roush F-150 is more than just a truck, it's a statement of rugged style and performance.